E aqui no Bastião dos Pescadores nós temos uma incrível visão do rio Danúbio.
The Fisherman's Bastion is a lookout located on the Castle Hill in Budapest,
To the west of the Danube River,
offering spectacular views of the city. The neo-Gothic and neo-Romanesque structure took nearly 20 years to complete. It was opened to the public in 1902.
The terrace has 7 towers that represent the 7 Magyar tribes that founded Hungary, and the bastion houses an equestrian statue of Stephen I. You will enjoy one of the best panoramic views of the Hungarian Parliament from the Fisherman's Bastion, as well as the Danube River. So come on, let's go with Taru around the world!